Hi, my name is James with Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. Even if you don't think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, every restaurant owner should follow these simple steps. We know you're cleaning your kitchen floors, but are you going the extra mile and getting on your hands and knees with a flashlight, checking for the smallest bits of food? Well, if you're trying to prevent or solve a rodent problem, you have to. It's imperative you remove every bit of food every night, because the smallest amount of food can sustain the rat population and keep this problem growing. Crumbs. Sounds silly, but it's often an issue left in the front of the house, underneath tables, on the booths, on top of the tables even. It's imperative you are checking out your staff every night to make sure they're doing their duties and cleaning their stations properly. This includes the side stations as well. Even the smallest crumb of food will keep those rats coming back. A dirty dumpster area is the #1 cause of a draw of rodents to your restaurant. Make sure you keep the lid closed when not in use. The area is clean and free of grease and clutter. If you have or think you have a rodent problem in your restaurant, give us a call here at Animals in the Attic Restaurant Division. We will discreetly help you as quickly and professionally as we can.